Hi, welcome to our DevOps video enablement series. My name is Vincent Payne. I am the Director of Technology and Services at Arrow in the UK. I'm responsible for some of the strategy, enablement, pre-sales activities and services delivery in the UK. I'm joined today by my colleague, Director of Networking and Security, Neil Palmer. Neil, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Thanks, Vince. Yes, I head the security business at Arrow, where we have a fantastic technology portfolio of 30 plus vendors, including the likes of Checkpoint, F5, Palo Alto Networks, Splunk, Tenable, Fortinet, RSA, to name but a few. We work with a large number of partners, from traditional value-added resellers and systems integrators to the born in the cloud MSPs. Our value as a technology provider and aggregator is to supply our partners with the right technologies and enable them, whether it's supporting sales, marketing, finance, implementation, and support services. We're constantly looking at the market and reviewing our position to ensure we have the right mix of technologies to help them address their customers' needs, with solutions delivering the desired outcomes. For example, we've recently expanded our portfolio with vendors that enhance our technology offering in the rapidly growing application security area.
Ah, perfect. That brings us right to the reason why we are chatting today. So, DevOps and DevSecOps.
Yes, absolutely. In our market, company acquisitions are a common occurrence, of course, but more recently, we've seen several of our long-standing security vendor partners acquire technologies around securing the DevOps environments as they start to account for larger parts of end customers' needs in areas such as application modernization as part of their digital transformation journey. The other side of this, of course, is the independent software vendor, or ISV type business, who builds software applications and sometimes hardware. Many of the larger vendors have a platform approach as they integrate new tooling, which positions them more to the left in the application development product cycle. We believe Arrow has a great opportunity to support the ISV space through technology aggregation with our specialist expertise and simplifying supply for these types of new partners and ecosystem. What's DevOps to you, Vince?
Well, DevOps isn't really new, but it's simply a term describing the integration of the development community and the IT operations folk. Quite simply, it aims to shorten the systems development lifecycle and provide continuous project delivery with a high quality software as an output. This typically means a culture shift from utilizing older monolithic technology to a new agile methodology, using technology like containers and microservices, which you've probably heard quite a lot about recently. It does mean how different things, different people. When I worked in support and was an IT manager years ago, we used to manage a number of software applications. And when the software guys wanted to update anything, it was a nightmare because we had various copies of backups of the environments and had to take the whole database offline and provide different testing environments, which was risky and also took a lot of time. Also, however little the code changed, the whole environment had often to be taken offline. Today, there are many benefits to the improved flow around continuous delivery with the implementation of containers and microservices, which allows you to break up the application delivery into smaller parts and utilize code libraries and integrate into APIs. You may have heard the term CI/CD pipeline, which is simply this. We had several scripts which helped us update parts of this, but there was no general automation linked into the infrastructure components or cloud, which we have today.
Okay, so lots of technology benefits and automation. This also is going to be of interest to the data center and cloud partners as well, I presume, with other vendors like Puppet, Red Hat, VMware, Microsoft, AWS, etc.
Yes, absolutely. This spans cloud and on-premise technology. We also see more SaaS offerings around this from our new vendors and the hyperscalers.
Okay, great. Arrow are going to explain how partners can embed security in the CI/CD pipeline, and this is simply named DevSecOps. A series of short videos from our vendor partners explaining their relevance, backed by longer videos with more in-depth content about these solutions. We will be running a DevOps Essential Workshop in early June, which we would welcome you to attend. This will provide a more in-depth insight to all things DevOps. Watch out for those dates coming soon.
Yes, thanks for your time and see you at the workshop in June.